Hi mga kawawmat, in this video, we will discuss the angle pair relationship. So this is the continuation of our discussion regarding the angle pair. So in this video, I'll give you examples or sample problems na kung saan ia-apply natin yung natutunan natin sa part 1. So it is very important na alam po natin ang difference o yung relationship po nung 6 na angle pairs na diniscuss po natin sa part 1. So panoorin po muna natin yung part 1 bago po tayo magpunta dito sa part 2 para hindi po tayo mahirapan. Okay? So let's start. So find the complement and supplement of an angle whose measure is A, 65 degrees, B, 45 degrees and 14 minutes, letter C, 34 degrees, 25 minutes and 36 seconds. Okay. So kukumpletuhin natin itong table by supplying the complement and supplement of these angles. Okay. So kapag ganito ang given natin, I have here 65 degrees. Okay? So, madali lang kunin ang complement at supplement nito. Okay? Kasi, ima-minus lang natin siya sa 90 at ito ima-minus naman natin sa 180. Okay, so therefore the complement of this angle is 90 minus 65. This is 25 degrees. And then the supplement of this angle is 180 minus 65 is 115 degrees. So this is how we get the complement and supplement of this angle. So pag ganito, madali lang, okay? Ima-minus mo na lang siya. Okay, so pag sinabi natin complement, what is the supplement of this angle? The sum of those two angles must be 180. If the question is what is the complement of this angle, so you have to look for the other angle na magiging 90 yung sum nilang dalawa. Okay? So what if the given is meron siyang minutes and meron siyang seconds? So paano natin siya isosolve? Okay. So, take note that for every 1 degree, sa bawat isang degree, that is equivalent to 60 minutes. And then, sa bawat isang minuto, alam naman natin to, that is equivalent to 60 minutes. Okay? So, for every 1 degree, that is equivalent to 60 minutes. And then, for every 1 minute, that is equivalent to 60 seconds. Okay. So, let's start. I-solve natin si letter B at si letter C. So, kapag binigyan po tayo ng ganitong angle, yung meron ng minutes and seconds, ang gagawin po natin para makuha natin ng complement is isusubtract po natin siya dun sa complement, which is 90. Okay? So, 90 minus 45 degrees and 14 minutes. So, ima-minus natin siya. Paano natin to ima-minus? Walang given dito sa taas. So, ang gagawin po natin para magkaroon dito ng laman is magbaborrow tayo dito ng 1 degree. Okay? And 1 degree is equivalent to 60 minutes. So, magborrow tayo ng 1 degree. So, ito na yung hiniram natin. So, since nanghiram tayo dito ng 1 degree, ito po ay magiging 89 degrees na lang. Okay, so we can now subtract. So, 60 minus 14 is equal to 46, okay, is equal to 46 minutes. And 89 minus 45 is equal to 44 degrees. So, therefore, the complement is 44 degrees and 46 minutes. Okay. Next, para makuha naman natin yung supplement, kung ito ay 90, dito 180. And then same procedure. So magborrow tayo dito ng 1 degree para magkaroon tayo dito ng 60 minutes. So this will become 179 na lang po. So 60 minus 14, this is 46 minutes. Okay. And then 179 minus 45, this is equal to 134 degrees. Okay. So we have 134 degrees and 46 minutes. Okay. Or, eto po, tip ko, kung pinapahanap sa inyo yung complement and supplement, ang gagawin mo na lang dito is mag-add ka na lang po ng 90. Ganon lang po siya ka-simple. So, kung pinapakuha yung complement at supplement, mag-add ka na lang po dito ng 90. Pero hindi naman po kasi palagi na complement at supplement ang pinapahanap. So, what if supplement lang? So, you really need to solve. Okay? Pero kung dalawa naman sila, mag-add na lang po tayo dito ng 90. So, therefore, again, the complement of this angle is 44 degrees, 46 minutes, and its supplement is 134 degrees and 46 minutes. Punta tayo dito. So, paano kapag meron na siyang seconds? Okay. So, same procedure, 90 ulit, i-minus natin ito. Since wala tayong minutes at seconds dito, so ganun ulit, mag-borrow tayo dito ng 1 degree para magkaroon tayo dito ng 60 minutes. Okay? Pero bakit 59 lang siya? Okay. So, ibig sabihin, asan yung 1 minute? Yung 1 minute ilalagay natin dito. Okay? Para magkaroon tayo dito ng 60 seconds. Okay, so again ha, nag-borrow tayo dito ng 1 degree and that is equivalent to 60 minutes. Ngayon, itong 60 minutes mo, nag-borrow siya, kaya naging 59 minutes na lang para magkaroon tayo dito ng 60 seconds. So therefore, ito magiging 89 na lang po. Okay, so subtract natin, 60 minus 36, that is 24 seconds, and then 59 minus 25, that is 34 minutes, and then 89 minus 34, this is 55 degrees. So therefore, this is 55 degrees, 34 minutes, and 24 seconds. And then, sabi ko nga, kung dalawa naman ang pinapahanap, pwede mo na lang mag-add ka dito ng 90. Okay? Mas mabilis. Pero kung hindi naman pinapahanap ang complement, kung supplement lang, you really need to solve. So, ito po siya. So, ganun ulit, borrow tayo. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng 59 minutes. Hiniram yung 1 minute, kaya meron tayo dito ng 60 seconds. So, magiging 179 na lamang po ito. So, we have 60 minus 36. This is 24 seconds. 59 minus 25, 34 minutes, and 179 minus 34, this is 145 degrees. So, this is 145 degrees, 34 minutes, and 24 seconds. Okay, let's have the next one. So, solve for the value of x. So, madali kung ang hinihingi sa atin na measure ng angle is yung walang unknown. Halimbawa, kung ito, if this is 30 degrees, ibig sabihin ito ay 90. If this is 75 degrees, ibig sabihin ito ay 15 degrees. Madali kung ganon. Pero what if ganito? Meron siyang unknown. Meron na tayo ditong variable. Paano mo siya kukunin? Okay? So, i-apply natin yung natutunan natin sa part 1 na ang sum ng complementary angles should be 90 degrees. So, yun po ang gagamitin natin. Paano nyo malalaman na 90 siya? Meron siyang ganitong symbol. Okay? Meron po siyang ganito. Ibig sabihin, 90. Okay. So, since meron tayong unknown, apply natin yung concept ng complementary angles na binanggit natin sa part 1. Okay? Ng video na to. So, ang sabi doon, complementary angles, the sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, ito at ito, pag pinagsama mo, dapat 90 siya. So, x plus 15 is equal to 90. So, ito po siya. So, dito tayo magsusolve ngayon. So, combine similar terms, x plus x, that is 2x. Okay, plus 15 is equal to 90. So, i-minus natin, transpose natin si 15. We will have 90 minus 15. So, that is 2x is equal to 75 na lang po. Kasi 90 minus 15 is 75. Now, divide both sides by 2. So, divide both sides by 2. So, 75 divided by 2, that is 37.5. So, ibig sabihin, etong value ng x natin is 37.5. This angle measures 37.5 degrees. Kasi yung nakuha nating x ay 37.5. Now, paano naman natin makukuha yung measure nitong isang angle? So, isa-substitute natin itong 37.5 dito sa x since yun ang nakuha nating value of x. So, ito po ay 37.5 plus 15. So, that is 52.5. So, therefore, the measure of this angle is equal to 52.5 degrees. So, pag inad natin itong dalawa, ang sum niya is 90. And that is correct. So, therefore, our solution is correct kasi the sum is 90. Okay? Let's have the next one. So, this is again an example of complementary angles. So, we all know that complementary angles, the sum must be 90. Okay? So, dapat pag pinagsama natin yung measure ng dalawang angles na to, dapat 90 ang kalalabasan. Okay? So, i-add natin ngayon si 2x plus 5 and then si 3x is equal to 90. So, i-add natin siya. So, by combining similar terms, so 2x plus 3x, that is 5x. Okay? So, 5x plus 5 is equal to 90. So, kinapi lang natin ito, kinapi natin. Now, so, transpose natin. So, we will have 5x is equal to 90 minus 5, so that is 85. Okay. And then, by dividing both sides by 5, saan ba natin siya dinidivide? Kung ano yung coefficient mo dito. Okay? So, divide both sides by 5. So, makakancel yung 5 mo. So, 85 divide 5 is 17. So, x is equal to 17. Okay, now, so if x is equal to 17, yun ang isa-substitute natin dito. So, 2 times 17, yung x, plus 5. So, 2 times 17 is 34. 34 plus 5 is 39. So, therefore, this angle measures 39 degrees. Okay, dito naman tayo sa kabilang angle. So, 3 times 17. Kasi yung x natin is 17. So, 3 times 17 is 51. So, this is 51 degrees. Pag inad natin ito, 39 plus 51, that is 90. Okay? Next. So, I have here a linear pair. Okay, so as you can see, our third example is a linear pair. Bakit? Kasi yung dalawang angles mo, naglalay siya dun sa linear pair natin. Okay. At the same time, adjacent sila and supplementary. So, since linear pair ito, ibig sabihin, supplementary angle siya. Kasi pag sinabi nating linear pair, ibig sabihin, adjacent and supplementary. So, kung supplementary sila, therefore, the sum of these angles must be 180 degrees. So, ito, since linear pair po tayo, dapat pag inad natin si 4x minus 15 at si 2x minus 15, dapat ang sum niya ay 180. So, hindi na po 90 ha, kasi linear pair na po ito. So, 180 na tayo. So, we are already applying the concept of angle pairs na diniscuss natin sa part 1. Okay? So, yung iba, hindi ito maiintindihan kasi walang basic concept ng angle pair. So, you have to watch first the video of angle pairs. Nandun po sa ating part 1. Okay? Kasi this are all applications. So, ito po ay ina-apply na natin yung mga concepts. Okay? So, 4x minus 15 plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 180. So, dito po, we have combined similar terms, 4x plus 2x, that is 6x. Negative 15 minus 15, that is negative 30, is equal to 180. Now, so, transpose natin. So, we have 6x is equal to 180 plus 30. So, again ha, we always change the sign. Okay? So, plus, minus, minus, plus. Okay? So, we have 6x is equal to 180 plus 30. That is 210. So, by dividing both sides by 6, so makakancel natin dito si 6 and 210 divided by 6, that is 35. So, our x is 35. Okay, so isubstitute natin siya dito para makuha natin yung measure ng dalawang angles. So, we can check if the sum is really 180 degrees. Okay, so for x minus 15, ito, ang gagawin po natin, substitute natin siya dun sa x. So, 4 times 35, yung nakuha nating value ni x. So, 4 times 35, this is 140. Minus 15, this is 125. So, this is 125 degrees. Punta tayo dito sa 2x minus 15. So, 2 times 35, okay, minus 15, so this is 70. 70 minus 15 is 55. So, therefore, this is 55 degrees. So, pag inad natin ito, 125 plus 55, this is 180. So, therefore, our solution is correct. Next. So, I have here the measure of the complement of an angle is twice the measure of the angle. So, what is the measure of the angle? What is the measure of its complement? So, unang basa, nakakalito. Okay? Parang paulit-ulit. Okay? Pero if you will try to understand, okay, ang una mo munang gagawin para hindi ka malito is you have to represent. You must always have your representation. Okay? So, kailangan ma-represent mo muna yung measure ng angle at yung measure ng complement. So, let x, so yung x natin, be the unknown, yun yung measure of the angle. So, the measure of its complement is, di ba, pag sinabing complement, 90. So, yung measure na kabuuan na 90, i-minus mo dun sa measure ng angle, which is x. Okay, so this is the measure of the angle x, and then the measure of its complement is 90 minus x. Kasi 90, tapos kung ano man yung measure nito, yung x, yun po ang measure ng complement niya. Okay? So now, after the representation, balikan mo yung problem. Intindihin mo ulit. Okay? So, ang sabi, the measure of the complement of an angle. Ano ba yung complement? Ito yun. So, 90 minus x. Okay? So, 90 minus x, sabi dito, is. So, is means equal. So, the measure of the complement of an angle, so ito yung complement of an angle is, ibig sabihin equal, is twice the measure of the angle. So, ito yung measure of the angle, x. Sabi twice, so 2x. Okay. So, saan natin kinukuha yung equation? Dun lang din po sa given. Kaya, it is very important that you have represented your problem first before you solve. Okay? So, 90 minus x is equal to 2x. So, let us solve. So, 90 is equal to 2x. Transpose natin ito, magiging plus x. So, we have 90 is equal to 3x. Divide both sides by 3. So, 90 divide 3, that is 30. Okay? And then, ayusin na lang po natin. So, x is equal to 30 degrees. So, if your x is equal to 30 degrees, so kung 30 ito, if your x is equal to 30, therefore, the measure of the angle is 30 degrees. And then, since your x is 30, so 90 minus 30 is 60 degrees. Okay, i-check nyo. Balikan nyo yung problem. Ang measure daw ng complement, so yung complement is 60, is twice the measure of the angle. So, twice nga ba ito ng measure ng angle? Yes, kasi 30 times 2 is 60. At pag inad mo naman sila, 30 plus 60, 90. So, tama po tayo. Next. The measure of an angle is 30 degrees more than twice the measure of its supplement. So, find the measure of the angle and its supplement. So, again, represent muna natin. So, this is the measure of the angle. And then, since we have to find for the measure of the angle and its supplement, so, ang supplement niya, 180 tayo ngayon. Kasi supplementary angles ito. So, 180 minus x po ang kanyang supplement. Now, balikan natin. Paano gawin natin yung equation? So, the measure of an angle. So, ito yung measure of an angle. So, that is x. Okay. So, the measure of an angle is 30 more than, okay, so 30 more than twice the measure of its supplement. Ano ba yung supplement? 180 minus x. So, twice daw nito. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 times the quantity of 180 minus x. Okay, ulitin ko. The measure of the angle is 30 more than twice its supplement. Ito yung supplement. Okay, and then let us solve. So, una muna natin isa-solve dito is eto po. So, distribute muna natin ito. So, x is equal to 360 and then 2 times my negative x, so negative 2x plus 30. And then, combine similar terms, we will have x plus 2x. So, lipat natin siya doon. Magiging plus is equal to 360 plus 30, that is 3x, and then this is 390. So, inad lang natin ito. 3x is equal to 390. So, divide both sides by 3. So, 390 divide 3 is 130 degrees. So, therefore, our x is 130 degrees. And now, what is the measure of its supplement? So, 180 minus 130, yung nakuha nating x. So, that is 50 degrees. Okay, so kapag inad natin siya, 130 plus 50 degrees, that is 180. Now, kung babalikan natin yung problem, i-check mo rin na ang sabi daw, the measure of the angle is 30 more than twice the measure of its supplement. So, kung ita-times daw natin ito sa 2, 100. And then, lamang daw siya ng 30. So, 100 plus 30, 130. Okay? Next. So, let's proceed on examples on adjacent angles and linear pair. Okay. So, let us answer the following questions. Okay, so given the figure on your right, so ito po yung figure natin. So, meron tayong angle 1, ito po yung angle 1. And then, yung angle 2 natin ay itong buo, simula dito, ayan. Kumbaga, ang angle 2 natin ay si angle BED, yung buo. Okay? Si angle 1 mo ay ito lang po, si angle CED. Okay? And then, si angle 3, si angle BEA. Okay. So, ang tanong, are angle 1 and angle 2 adjacent angles? So, ito si angle 1. Ito naman si angle 2. So, are they adjacent? No. Why? Kasi po, yes, meron silang common vertex. Meron silang common side. Ito yung common side nila kasi side siya ni angle 1 at the same time side siya ni angle 2. Kaya lang, dapat wala tayong interior points pag adjacent angle. So, si angle 1, ito yung interior niya. At the same time, si angle 2, interior niya din. So, hindi tayo pwedeng magkaroon ng common interior points kapag adjacent angles. Kaya, this is a no. Okay? Next, are angle 2 and angle 3 adjacent angles? So, ito si angle 2 ha, itong buo. And then, ito si angle 3. Are they adjacent? Yes. May common vertex, may common side. Ito yung common side nila. And they have no common interior points. Kanya-kanya po sila ng interior. So, this is a yes. Next, are angle 1 and 3 adjacent angles? So, ito si angle 1, ito si angle 3. So, obviously, may common endpoint, pero wala silang common side. Kasi ito yung side ni angle 3. Ito naman yung side ni angle 1. So, wala silang common side. So, this is no. Next, do angle 2, ito si angle 2, and angle 3 form a linear pair. So, ito si angle 2, ito si angle 3. Nagpo-form ba siya ng linear pair? Yes. Next, si angle 1 ba at si angle 2 ay nagpo-form din ng linear pair? No. So, obviously, hindi siya supplementary. Okay? So, at the same time, hindi sila adjacent. So, nabanggit kanina na hindi sila adjacent. Dapat, pag sinabing linear pair, adjacent and supplementary. So, this is no. Next. Name a pair of adjacent angles that are complementary. So, alin dito, given the figure, ang adjacent at the same time complementary? So, ibig sabihin, may common side, may common vertex, walang common interior, and the sum is 90 degrees. Okay? So, alin dito? We have angle B is C and angle C, E, D. Okay, so as you can see, etong dalawang angles na to ay complementary at the same time adjacent. So, ayun po siya. Next, name two angles that have the same measure and form a linear pair. So, alin dito yung dalawang angles na may parehong measure at the same time linear pair. So, pag sinabi kasi nating linear pair tas same measure, automatic ibig sabihin 90-90 dapat yun. Okay? So, alin dito yon? So, we have angle B, EA kasi this is 90 and angle B, ED. This is also 90. So, linear pair sila at the same time, they have the same measure. Yes. Okay, siguro may nagtatanong dyan. Ma'am, pwede rin po ba yung angle 2 and angle 3? Yes po, pwede rin po siya. Okay, pwede rin po si angle 2 and angle 3. That is another name of the angles. Next, angle AEC. So, ito si AEC. Ayan. And angle CED form a linear pair. So, itong dalawa daw form a linear pair. Okay. The measure of angle AEC is 3 degrees more than twice the measure of angle CED. So, find, ang pinapahanap sa atin is angle AEC. So, i-represent muna natin siya. So, if angle CED is X, okay, so yun yung X natin, ang measure daw ni angle AEC is 3 degrees more than twice. So, mas mataas daw siya ng 3 degrees and then twice the measure of angle CED. Yun ang sabi. So, if this is the measure of angle CED, twice. So, 2x yun. And then 3 degrees more than. So, kaya nag-plus 3 tayo dito. So, ito po ang ating representation. Now, paano natin siya isosolve? So, si angle CED daw at si angle AEC ay it forms a linear pair. Okay? So, kung it form a linear pair, therefore, they are adjacent and supplementary. At pag sinabi natin supplementary, ano sila? The sum of their measures is 180. Kasi linear pair eh. Pag sinabing linear pair, 180 yon. So, dito tayo magbe-base. Okay, so your angle AEC is 2x plus 3. And then your angle CED is x. I-equate natin siya sa 180. So, combine similar terms, 2x plus x, that is 3x, is equal to 180 minus 3. So, 3x is equal to 180 minus 3, that is 177. Divide both sides by 3, so 177 divided by 3, that is 59 degrees. Okay? So, if your x is equal to 59 degrees, therefore, angle CED is equal to 59 degrees. So, ito ay 59 degrees. Now, paano natin makukuha si angle AEC? Yun ang pinapahanap. So, si angle AEC, we have 2x plus 3. So, isa-substitute lang natin itong si 59. So, 2 times 59 dun sa x, ayan, ito siya. So, 2 times 59 plus 3, that is the measure of angle AEC. Okay? So, we have 2 times 59, that is 121. The measure of angle AEC is equal to 121 degrees. Okay, so therefore the measure of angle AEC is equal to 121. So kapag chinek natin, so again, these two are supplementary. So 59 plus 121, that is 180. Next. So let's have an examples in congruent and vertical angles. Okay. So, angle 3 and angle 4 are vertical angles. Okay? if the measure of angle 3 is equal to 4x plus 7 and the measure of angle 4 is equal to 5x minus 8, find the measures of the two angles. So, let's have this figure. So, kapag binibigyan tayo ng ganito, mas maganda kung i-illustrate natin siya kasi mas mabilis nating makita yung kung paano siya isolve. Mas madaling mag-solve kapag meron tayong figure. Okay? So, the measure of angle 3 is 4x plus 7 and the measure of angle 4 is 5x minus 8. Okay, bakit dito ko sila pinwesto? Kasi based dito sa given natin, they are vertical angles. So, pagtatapatin ko sila. Okay? So, now, ang pinapahanap natin, ano daw ang measure nitong dalawang angles na to? So, apply natin yung concept ng vertical angles that vertical angles are congruent. Okay, so ito po ay binanggit ko dun sa part 1 ng ating video tutorial. So, vertical angles are congruent. So, ibig sabihin, angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Okay? So, kung congruent sila, therefore, the measure of angle 3 is equal to the measure of angle 4. So, kung ang angle 3 natin is 4x plus 7, ibig sabihin, equal siya sa measure ni 5x minus 8. Okay, so we are applying here the concept of vertical angles. So in this equation, so we will combine similar terms. So we will have 4x minus 5x, okay, and then negative 8 minus 7. So ilipat natin sila sa kanya-kanya nilang pwesto sa left and right side of the equation. So combine lang natin. Parehong may variable, pagsamahin mo. Parehong constant, pagsamahin mo. Okay? So, 4x minus 5x, this is negative x. Negative 8 minus 7, this is negative 15. Now, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-negative 1 dyan. So, divide both sides by negative 1. Kaya, magiging x is equal to positive 15. Now, are we done here? So, ang pinapahanap sa atin, find the measures of the two angles. Hindi lang basta value ng x. So, kunin mo yung dalawang measures. So, we have the measure of angle 3 is equal to 4x plus 7. So, ang gagawin natin, isa-substitute mo yung nakuha mong x, which is 15. Ayan. So, 4 times 15, that is 60. So, 60 plus 7, that is 67. So, therefore, the measure of angle 3 is equal to 67 degrees. Okay? And then this one, the measure of angle 4 is 5x minus 8. So, substitute lang din natin yung nakuha nating value ni x. So, that is 15. May value si x. Okay. So, that is 15. So, 5 times 15, that is, okay, 75. So, 75 minus 8, that is, the measure of angle 4 is equal to 67. So, therefore, this is 67 degrees and this is also 67 degrees. So, kung babalikan natin ito, na vertical angles are congruent. So, as you can see, they are congruent. And they are equal. Next. So, angle 5 and angle 6 are vertical angles. If the measure of angle 5 is equal to 6x and the measure of angle 6 is equal to 4x plus 6, so find the measures of the two angles. So, let us draw the figure. Okay, so this is your angle 5, which is 6x, and this is your 4x plus 6. So, again, opposite sila. Okay, pinagtapat ko sila dahil vertical angles. Okay, so this is 6x, this is your angle 5, this is your angle 6. Now, so apply natin yung concept ng vertical angles are congruent. So, therefore, angle 5 is congruent to angle 6. So, if they are congruent, therefore, they are also equal. Okay? So, the measure of angle 5 is equal to the measure of angle 6. Now, so, ibig sabihin, si 6x equal kay 4x plus 6. Based dito sa ating concept that vertical angles are congruent. So, equal si 6x kay 4x plus 6. So, let us solve. 6x, transpose natin ito, minus 4x is equal to 6. So, 6x minus 4x, that is 2x. So, 2x is equal to 6. So, divide both sides by 2. So, x is equal to 3. Okay? So, now, If x is equal to 3, kunin natin yung measure ni angle 5, which is 6x. So, substitute lang po natin si 6 times 3. Okay? Substitute lang po natin. So, 6 times 3 is 18. So, the measure of angle 5 is 18. Now, let's see kung pareho siya sa measure ni angle 6 kasi vertical angles are congruent. They are vertical angles. So, let's solve. So, the measure of angle 6 is 4x plus 6. So, substitute natin yung nakuha nating x. So, 4 times 3. So, this is 12. So, 12 plus 6. Therefore, the measure of angle 6 is also 18. So, therefore, this is 18 degrees. And this one, your angle 6 is also 18 degrees. Okay, so as you can see, your vertical angles are congruent. Okay, so let us now state and enumerate the different angle pair relationship na in-apply natin sa pagsusolve ng mga problems kanina. So, hindi nyo namamalayan itong angle pair relationship ang mga ginamit natin sa pag-solve ng mga problems kanina simula umpisa. So, first, vertical angles are congruent. If two angles form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. So, in-apply rin natin to kanina dun sa may supplementary angles na if two angles form a linear pair, then the sum is, then they are supplementary and the sum is 180. Okay? Next, the sum of complementary angles is 90 and the sum of supplementary angles is 180. So, ito po yung mga angle relationship na in-apply po natin kanina sa pag-solve ng mga problems. Okay, so it's your turn. So, given angle 1 and angle 5 are supplementary angles. So, si angle 1 daw at si angle 5 are supplementary angles. So, ibig sabihin, pag inad daw po natin si angle 1 at si angle 5, 180 daw ang result nun. Okay, so yung measure ni angle 1 is 2x plus 10. Si measure ni angle 5 is 5x plus 30. So, ito po ang hahanapin natin. Okay, so first, find the value of x and then proceed kayo doon sa finding the measure of all the angles. Okay, so you may pause the video para mag-try tayong mag-solve. Okay, so let us check. So, ang sabi dito, balikan nyo yung condition na si angle 1 daw at si angle 5 are supplementary angles. So, ang unang tanong, find the value of x. Okay? So, si angle 1 at si angle 5, ibig sabihin equals to 180. Why? Kasi supplementary daw sila. So, dapat daw si angle 1 at si angle 5, pag inad natin yan, 180 dapat ang sum. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 2x plus 10 plus 5x plus 30 is equal to 180. Now, combining similar terms, we have 7x plus 40 is equal to 180. So, 7x is equal to 180 minus 40. So, 7x is equal to 40. Your x is 20. So, find the value of x. Your x is 20. Now, makukuha na natin ngayon si angle 1 and angle 5 kasi ang daming angles na kukunin natin. So, ilan to? 4, 8, 12 angles ito. Okay. So, anong gagawin natin? So, substitute natin ito, yung nakuha natin yung value ng x dun sa measure ng angle 1 na 2x plus 10. So, lagay natin siya dito. So, 2 times 20. So, this is 40 plus 10. The measure of angle 1 is 50. So, meron ka na agad na isang angle dito. That is 50 degrees. Okay. And then next, solve natin ito. So, 5x plus 30, your x is 20. So, this is 5 times 20. This is 100. So, 100 plus 30, this is 130 degrees. So, therefore, your angle 5 is equal to 130 degrees. So, meron ka ng sagot dito sa angle 1, which is 50 degrees. And the measure of angle 5 is 130. Okay, so meron ka na kagad sagot dun sa dalawang angles mo. Ngayon, huwag ka mag-focus dito sa question. Tingin ka lang lagi sa figure. So, paano natin makukuha yung ibang angles dito? Apply mo yung angle relationship. Si angle 1 at angle 4 are vertical angles, so therefore congruent yan. So, therefore, this is also 50. Now, si angle 1 at angle 2 forms a linear pair. So, ibig sabihin, kung 50 ito, this is 130. And then, ipasok mo yung concept ulit ng vertical angles. Therefore, this is 130. Punta tayo dito. So, si angle 5 and angle 8 are vertical angles. So, this is also 130. Etong dalawa ay supplementary kasi linear pair sila. So, this is 50. Kasi 180 yan. Ito ay vertical. So, this is also 50. So, anong napansin nyo? Ina-apply lang natin lahat ng concept na natutunan natin, yung mga angle relationship. So, dapat alam po natin yon. Next. Paano natin kukunin ito? Walang isang angle na given. So, dito ka titingin. Kapag meron kang triangle, so this is a triangle, pag meron po tayong triangle, tatandaan na ang sum ng interior angles niya, pag sinabing interior angles, yung nasa loob, is always 180. So, tatandaan po yan, na ang sum ng interior angles po natin is always 180. Okay, so kung meron ka ditong 50, may 50 ka na, ibig sabihin ilan na lang ang kulang? 80 degrees na lang para makabuo ng 180. Again, this is only for triangle. So, kapag may triangle ka, the sum of the three interior angles is always 180. Okay? So, meron na tayong measure dito. So, if this is 80 degrees, vertical angle yan. So, this is also 80 degrees. Ito ay supplementary linear pair. Ito, si angle 9 and 10, so 100 yan. Kasi 80 plus 100, 180. And then vertical angles din to. So, this is also 100 degrees. So, nakuha mo na lahat. You can now supply the missing angles here. Okay, so I hope you got perfect. Congratulations. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo for more video tutorials. This is your guide in learning your math lessons, your Wow Math channel.